My old boss works at a place called Marine Connection, and that means he's involved in the Miami International Boat Show. So he asked me if I wanted a ticket to the boat show. So I'm currently headed out to the boat show. Waze says it is going to take me an hour to get there. I'm hoping that I can get through the traffic because I don't want to be in traffic for an hour. But it's down at the Miami Marine Stadium, which I've been there once. If you haven't seen the video, check it out right here. See you at the show. One of the many perks of driving a motorcycle is front row parking. Made it to the boat show, took about an hour. Hey.
Free tickets cheap.
I got one, thank you. I'm gonna go to Will Call right now and pick up my ticket, then we'll go check it out. Fernandez, Sergio.
You're set.
Thank you very much. Nobody suspected a thing that I have no idea about boats, nor do I have the money to get one. But I do have this handy dandy pocket map. I think I'm gonna go into this big tent that says engines, check out some engines. Seems logical. Scratch that, we are going to tent B, which is where Yanni is. Fun facts that I have zero statistics on. Fort Lauderdale and Miami are some of the biggest boating capitals of the world, so this Miami International Boat Show is a pretty big deal. Doesn't that just look fun? Don't you just want to be on a boat? Turns out maybe I was just in the wrong tent. I found him. There he is. What's up? Yanni built this screen. Distinct. Chatted with Yanni for a little bit. Always good to catch up. Now I'm gonna use this rig here, the 80D on my steady cam rig. Got some cool B-roll. So let's start that now. I shot for like an hour just because, I don't know, I've never shot boats before and felt like there was so much to shoot, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. Now we're gonna go out to the pier and shoot some of the boats out here. Wish I would have been a bit more organized and come earlier to see more and do more and shoot more, but it's been fun.